Hello students, I am going to teach Signals and Systems course. Signals and Systems. In my previous classes, I have already started 5th unit of half level, that is sampling and reconstruction. I have started 5th unit, that is sampling and reconstruction. This topic we have already started, sampling and reconstruction. In my previous classes, we have seen sampling with train of impulses and sampling with zero order hold. Today we will see reconstruction using linear interpolation. The subtopic today we will discuss, that is reconstruction of original signal from sample signal, reconstruction using linear interpolation. This is also called first order hold. This is also called first order hold. Today we will see reconstruction of original signal from sample signal using linear interpolation filter, and that is also called first order hold system. This is also called first order hold system. We have seen sampling as multiplication of the signal to be sample xt and a pt signal which we have treated as train of impulses. This is train of impulses, that is delta t minus nt, n is from minus infinity to infinity, and this we have written as xpt. That means sampling as multiplication of signal to be sampled and train of impulses, that pt. This signal we have written xpt. If xpt is passed through, let us call this filter st, then let this st is a reconstruction filter, or in frequency domain it is SR j omega, then this is a reconstructed signal xt. We have seen in our last class that xrt is a reconstructed signal. That means if xpt is passed through this, we will be getting a reconstructed signal, and this reconstructed signal xt was exactly recovered from this sample if this filter is ideal low pass filter. If HR j omega is an ideal low pass filter. That means if this xpt is passed through an ideal low pass filter, then the reconstructed signal is exactly same as the original signal xt. But the ideal low pass filter is impossible to design. That's why in previous classes we have seen, if this is passed through zero order hold circuit or zero order hold filter or zero order hold system, or you can say that is interpolation, zero order interpolation, then that we'll see. If let us call this is if this filter was zero order hold like S0 t, that was S0 j omega, then this was passed through a reconstruction filter HRT. Last class we have seen, and that was HR j omega. Then this signal XRT is equal to exactly xt if, that means if this reconstructed signal in this case the reconstructed signal reconstructed signal XRT will be exactly XT if, that we have already seen in last class, that if this HR, that a reconstructed filter is equal to this HR j omega is equal to 1 upon this zero order whole, that is if HR j omega is equal to 1 upon H naught j omega, that is zero order whole frequency response. That is, the frequency response of reconstruction filter should be 1 upon S naught j omega in the pass band. So that both zero order whole and this reconstruction filter together, that will give S naught j omega and HR j omega will be equal to exactly low pass filter. That means if this and this together, they are giving the response of ideal and ideal low pass filter, then this reconstructed signal will be exactly equal to original signal XT. That's what we have seen already in our previous classes. Now see, if this filter is not there, if it is only passed through zero order whole, if HRT or HR j omega is absent, if this filter is not there, if this filter is absent, then what we are getting? We are just getting the output of zero order whole, and you have already seen in previous classes that this output is simply a staircase approximation. That means if situation is like this, in this case, what the signal output, that is, if this we are taking as a reconstructed signal XT, if this we are taking as a reconstructed signal XT, then if this is the XRT, then this signal, if it is output of zero order whole and we are not applying a separate reconstruction filter, then the output of HOT, that we have called XOT, and that we are taking as a reconstructed signal, then this XRT will not match exactly to XT. In fact, this XOT, that is XRT reconstructed signal, or this XOT will be a staircase approximation. A staircase approximation of XT and not exactly equal to XT, and not exactly equal to XT. That means if we are just passing through zero order whole and after that we are not applying a reconstructed filter which will reconstruct XRT from XOT, then in this case the output of HOT is XOT, and if you are taking this one as a reconstructed signal, then this reconstructed signal XOT will be a staircase approximation. We have already seen, and that will not exactly match with XT. In that case, this is just approximation of XT. It is not equal to XT. Now, instead of XOT, this XOT is approximation. Let us talk about the other filter entity. Then this XRT, what it is? Let this HRT, okay, then in that case this XRT will be summation X NT, because this signal will be X NT multiplication this HR t minus nt. This will be our reconstructed signal. That means what will be this reconstructed signal? Now it will depend on the what filter we have used. If we are using zero order hold, then this output we are getting a staircase approximation, not exactly to xt. Then we can use some better interpolation filter. Just instead of zero order hold, we can use higher order hold for better approximation of reconstructed signal as compared to xt. For better reconstruction, we can use higher order interpolation filter. We can use higher order interpolation. For example, we have used already zero order hold. Now we will see first order hold. For example, first order hold. First order hold. Also called linear interpolation. Linear interpolation. Okay. Then for better approximation of this reconstructed signal, instead of just using zero order hold, we can use higher order hold. We will see here first order hold, also called linear interpolation filter. So that will be easier. Now we will see what this first order hold is. Now we will see what this first order hold is. What is linear interpolation filter? First order hold system. If this is the discrete time signal, okay, let this be defined as a discrete instant of interval of, that is t. For example, it is defined at 0, t, 2t, 3t. Okay. Similarly at minus t, minus 2t, minus 3t, and so on. So this is our XPT signal defined at nt. This is XPT defined at nt only. So this is our discrete time signal. And in zero order hold, what we have seen that in zero order hold we have seen that from any instant of sample to the next sample, it will have constant value like this, like this, like this. See, this is the dotted line we have drawn. This will be the output of zero order hold if XPT is passed from the zero order hold. But in first order hold, it is not keeping the constant value from this instant of sample to the next sample. Instead, it will be from this sample to the next sample will be connected by a straight line with a slope. Similarly, these two samples, this is the output of first order hold. This is the output of first order hold, like that. This is the output of first order hold, like that, whatever that sample is. So this dotted is showing the zero order hold, but this will be the output of, this is the output of first order hold. This is the output of first order hold. If you will see its impulse response and its frequency response, that is, if XPT is passed through the first order hold, also called linear interpolation, because from this point, that means any instant of sample to the next sample, these 2 points are connected with a linear equation with certain slope. The slope is not 0. In zero order hold, the slope was 0, but in this case, the slope is not. This is a first order. This is first order equation, and that's why this is called first order hold system. So when the system, this XPT is passed from first order hold system or linear interpolation filter, then this type of output we can expect, which is better approximation as compared to staircase approximation. That means as compared to zero order Hall filter, zero order Hall system. We can expect its impulse response. This will be its impulse response. This is the impulse response. This is minus t and this is t. This is the impulse response. That means this is the impulse response of this HRT, which is a first order Hall or linear interpolation filter. It is impulse response of first order Hall. This is the impulse response of first order Hall. If you can find its frequency response separately, we can take its Fourier transform, then you can find, and what we'll get, the impulse response will get here for this type of impulse response, this HRJ omega, and that will be simply the Fourier transform of this HRT, that is impulse response of this first order, and that we are getting. This is, we'll find the Fourier transform of this. It is 1 upon t sine omega t upon 2, and this is omega upon 2, and this will be squared. Okay, or same you can write that as a t and sine omega t upon 2, and here you can write at omega t upon 2. That means we can note this difference. What their difference is, we have seen if it is the frequency response of zero order Hall filter, that is only it was a sinc function, but here you can say it is the sinc function squared. That means frequency response of first order, that is frequency response of first order Hall or linear interpolation filter, is giving better frequency response or smoother, that will give the smoother result, and that's why, because it is squared here, this response is squared here, this response is squared here. We can expect a better reconstruction from first order Hall system, that is linear interpolation filter, as compared to zero order Hall. Zero order Hall will only give the staircase approximation, but from the first order Hall you are getting better approximation of xt. On frequency response of this filter approximation, we can say, see, actually this is the frequency response we have seen is for, this is for ideal low pass filter. That means if XPT is passed from ideal low pass filter, if this is HRJ omega, okay, this is HRJ omega, then our reconstruction filter should be like this, ideal. But this implementation is impossible. We cannot design an ideal low pass filter. Then what we can do? We can go for either zero order Hall or we can go for first order Hall. The zero order Hall approximation we have already seen. That is, if it is zero order Hall, then it is something like this. If this ideal low pass filter, ideal low pass filter response, and this is for zero order Hall response, then we can expect that first order Hall, we can expect this first order Hall, this one first order Hall will have smoother output. That means it can have smoother output. That means like that. So this will have smoother output. This is the first order mode. Because we are not going to design a separate reconstruction filter, just passing from zero order hold, passing from first order hold, then we are getting better approximation of reconstructed signal as compared to XT. We are getting better approximation. We can get better approximation in case of zero order, or you can say linear interpolation filter as compared to zero order hold. Zero order hold will give only staircase approximation. That will the approximate signal to XT. But this output of first order hold will have better as compared to zero order, better approximation. Still you want more better, then you can go higher order hold. That is zero order hold, first order hold, then you can go for higher order hold, because as the order is increasing, the sync term, this is going to be squared, and that's why it will give smoother and smoother output. As higher order hold system you will use, will get the better output, better approximation as compared to XT. And higher, so that you can close to ideal, then you can get XT reconstructed to be close, very close to XT. And that's why, but when you are going higher order hold system going to use, then what will be there? More complexity will be there. So as you will be getting better output, better reconstructed signal, but it will be at the cost of more complexity, more computation. But this first order approximation or output of first order hold is generally correct enough to be used as a reconstructed signal. Okay, so we'll stop here. Thank you very much, and we'll continue in the